have outdone yourself and brought me the worst Wolverine.
What do you mean the worst one?
Mr. Wilson, this Wolverine let down his entire world. He's the stuff of legend, but not in a good way. And what he did, well, some things are just beyond forgiveness.
You're a good man, Logan. I got to have a life because of you. I got to grow up because of you. A lot of kids did.
A lot of kids didn't grow up because of me. Trust me, kid, I'm no hero. We got a whole world to go back to.